Good day, everyone. Welcome to Longarm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop. I'm very happy to see you here today. We're working on two baby quilts. I came up with a pattern on the Friday video you just seen past, and check it out. And we had a good time with it. It's a big hunter star, and I'm just finished quilting them up. Unfortunately, I had the wrong cable plugged in, and you're missing some of the footage. So I'm going to try my best to kind of fill in. So we have some footage of it stitching along with the small camera, and then I will come back, watch that, and then come back and I'll show you what they've turned out to be, okay? There we go. Good. It's just finishing off the last block section of it. I chose like a water feel to the pattern. They are Nova Scotians, so I thought it was appropriate to use this cute lobster fabric. And then some of I found in my stash, I found something that was really close to this like light blue here. I didn't want to bring anything too dark, right? Like these are for little guys, little kids, so I didn't want anything too dark. So you could have pulled from the yellow, there's purple, there's pink in here, there's tan, there's beige. There's a few other colors you could have pulled from to find another accent color to go with this fabric, okay? And just on a side note, if you are interested in some of this fabric, we have some in the shop. Just message me, okay? It's very, very cute, and it's a lovely cotton. Just trying to prevent it from bouncing so much. That's why I'm kind of holding it with my hands a bit. Almost finished. And then I'll unzip it and then show you guys. One quilt is 46 inches by 46 inches, and this one is 48 inches by 48 inches. So it's just a smidgen bigger. And I have them lined up with the same pattern going all the way across, so that on one side of these two quilts, they match up pattern-wise, so they will always be together. Forever be linked. Yeah, there's even like a little pink and purple and a bit of the lobster, and of course white. There's so much, there's quite a few colors you could have chose. You know, whatever inspires you, right? I was trying to balance it out between a little girl and a little boy. I think I did pretty good.
Story staged from young to old. Every square a secret told. Stitched in time.
We're all having a great day so far. We do have some extra footage, so if you'd like to stay to the very end, it would be awesome. It really does help our channel. If you're enjoying this content, please give us a thumbs up. And we love your sub. You want to do it? Great. It's free.
This quilt of ours carries you. The frayed edges, the faded hues. The needle hums its steady tune under the patchwork midnight moon. Threads of red and threads of gold, a story stitched, a hand to hold, each square memory, each seam sigh. A blanket of love that will never die. Stitched together, piece by piece, a quilt of joy, a gift of peace. Wrap it round, let the warmth begin. A little light for the cold. Scraps of denim, old flannel shirts, beauty rising from the dirt. Grandma's hands, they taught me well. Every stitch, a tale to tell. From my hands to yours, the fabric sings. Love's a thread that binds all things. Stitched together, piece by piece, a quilt of joy, a gift of peace. Wrap it round, let the warmth begin. A little light for the cold.
Thank you for watching the footage. Here are how the two turned out. I realized as I was binding them that I didn't have the right cable plugged into the right camera. So I'm sorry about that. I will try to be better. So this is how the little boys turned out with the cream backing, and I just did the cream as for the binding part. Now I'll turn around so you can see the lovely little movement of stitching there. And then for the little girls, which I was just in the process of finishing the binding, went around once time and then it was like, whoops, this is how it turned out, okay? So also with the little cream for the binding and then the back as well, okay? So thank you for sticking with us. We greatly appreciate it. Big hugs to you, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.